Breaking news alert. We interrupt this broadcast for an important announcement.
We have disturbing news out of the Farm Belt this morning, as reports of widespread fly infestation.
That's right, John. Just moments ago, we witnessed the carnage being caused by the swarms of flies.
Humans, we will not take your shit anymore. That's some good shit.
I'm really getting tired of this same old shit. Same shit, different day. We don't find this shit funny no more.
Hey, get them off! We don't eat shit. We don't take shit. We are the shit now!